following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department and the California State Emergency Management. Reports came in from Central and Southern California about a zombie attacking people everywhere in sight. When a person gets bitten by a zombie, they turn into a zombie. Massive damage has been reported in both cities and towns. Martial law is in effect from 8:30 p.m. to 7:30 a.m. If you got caught outside, you'll be arrested with no questions. Tune into local media news outlets for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management Agency. A civil danger warning has been issued for all of California, effective until further notice. An hour ago, a zombie outbreak has begun in the state of California. Massive damage has been already reported to local authorities. Do not pick your loved ones from schools, hospitals, and nursing homes. These facilities have their own evacuation route. If you have been infected by a virus, call 911 for help. The CDC has named this virus. The virus's name is VS25. All residents in the state of California are strongly advised to evacuate the state immediately. Make sure you have enough supplies with you, such as food, water, and a radio. Tune into local media stations for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and Federal Emergency Management. The zombies in the virus have spread to other states. These states include Idaho, Washington, Oregon, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Colorado, and Montana. Anyone who lives in these states is being advised to shelter in place immediately. The virus is airborne and it can spread to others fast. This message will repeat.
The following is an administrative message from the United Nations headquarters. The virus, now known as VS25 virus, has spread to numerous countries across the world. These countries include Canada, Mexico, Ireland, United Kingdom, France, Poland, Indonesia, Australia, Philippines, Japan, South Korea, Russia, Algeria, South Africa, Ethiopia, Brazil, Venezuela, Spain, Portugal, Belarus, Estonia, Finland, Italy, Serbia, Greece, Iraq, and Israel. The military will be deployed to handle this situation. Anyone in the infected areas should be indoors. The virus is airborne, and it can spread to others really fast at an alarming rate. Should any person or a family member get infected by a virus, kick them out immediately, as they will be turned into zombies. Several cities in the infected zones have been completely decimated. Do not go outside for any reason. Keep the battery radio with you to get more updates. Remain indoors immediately, and do not go outside for any reason.